say where you are.
Good evening. I would like to thank the organizers for the marvelous movie and the opportunity to speak to you tonight. My name is Akhona Nokeva. I come from a township called Khayelitsha. I'm a student at UCT. Over the past few years, I have been hearing more and more about the threats of global climate changes that will accompany global warming, and have come to accept that it is a real risk that requires immediate action. Many students share my concern about global warming, but we nonetheless are also uncomfortable with the manner in which news about this topic is conveyed to us. We find the messages either from various national and international panels and committees or from popular movies discomforting. This is because those messages are invariably about gloom and doom, about imminent environmental disasters, followed by advice on how to adapt to and mitigate these catastrophes. We, the youth, find these messages very discouraging. Can it really be surprising to anyone that we young people insist on being optimistic about our future? Please keep in mind that many of us live in severe poverty. We passionately hope that the future will be better, not worse. To us, the astonishing technological and scientific advances of the past century, from electric lights and aeroplanes to the miracles of cell phones and laptops, are reasons for optimism. We anticipate that this progress will continue and that our generation, in due course, will be able to solve problems that at present seem impossible. Every cloud surely has a silver lining. Is there no silver lining to the cloud of global warming? Does our response to this potential threat have to be strictly adaptation to and mitigation of gloom and doom? Imagine my joy when I discovered that the answer to this question is no. It is possible to see in the threat of global warming splendid and exciting opportunities to deal with a host of problems that we face right now, not decades later. I made this discovery a few years ago when I participated in the Access Winter School field trips on how to build a habitable planet. That is why I enthusiastically applaud the recent announcement that Access will be a flagship initiative of the Department of Science and Education. What I learned at the winter school that makes me so optimistic. The most important lesson we learned is that we, in Southern Africa, are privileged to live in a very special place at a special time in the history of exceptional planet, the only one known to be habitable. I was of course aware and regarded it as a matter of pride that South Africa is the cradle of humankind, that all humans originally were Africans. What I did not realize is that Southern Africa is a microcosm of the world, that this is the ideal place to explore why ours is a habitable planet, the only place where we can reconstruct the remarkable voyage of our species from the time of our distant ancestors, the fossils at Steekfontein and Sediba, to today. I came to realize that we should respond to global warming, not out of fear, but out of love for our environment. This requires us to learn about our planet. Sadly, however, most people I know in Khayelitsha have no idea what an amazing environment South Africa enjoys. And because of this, they are generally uninterested in environmental issues. The solution is to help them discover the amazing story of why our planet is habitable. To do this, we should treat our marvelous sea and landscapes as classrooms. We can respond to global warming by promoting education at all levels, an urgent need in Africa, the key to alleviation of poverty. Thank you.